How to know if you can or cannot set Google Maps for trucks. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to or if you can or cannot set Google Maps for trucks. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Maps on your device. Select the profile icon at top right and access your settings tapping the setting icon. You have to scroll down and locate the option for Google Maps for trucks. As you can see that we don't find that option because Google Maps doesn't provide the truck mode for navigation, making it unsuitable for truck routing. Moreover, it does not provide truck-specific features like road restriction, weight limits, or informations on points of interest for truckers. So it is not advisable to not set Google Maps for trucks. Why doesn't Google Maps offer truck routing? As Google Maps was initially designed with general drivers and not commercial vehicles, drivers in mind it does not provide the truck navigation mode. So from this video we can know that Google Maps does not provide the option to set Google Maps for trucks. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.